Hey there, digital creators. Join me on another exciting adventure into the world of artificial intelligence. One of my absolute favorite creative techniques to explore with artificial intelligence is merging two completely unrelated photos. You can easily take a specific subject or an object from your first image and place it seamlessly into a completely different environment. For this project, I started with an old black and white photograph of myself when I was just 8 years old. I was quite cute, if I dare say so myself. First, I colorized the old snapshot to bring the memory into the modern world. Next, I uploaded it to an image creator using RunwayML for this specific task. I also uploaded a recent photograph of Laguna Beach that was captured in June 2026. Once both images were loaded into the tool, I gave the system a straightforward instruction. I asked the artificial intelligence to add the boy from the second image into the first image and show the boy playing in the sand. I certainly could have been much more elaborate by describing complex background changes or specific camera movements. However, this simple text prompt was more than enough to guide the system to a beautiful, satisfying result. While the blended photograph is wonderful on its own, I started wondering what it would look like if I turned it into a short movie clip. To bring the static scene to life, I took the newly generated photo and used it as the starting frame in OpenArt Studio. I selected the advanced Kling 3 engine to handle the motion and physics, and then I typed out a detailed descriptive prompt to guide the action and generate the audio. I wrote, "The waves are crashing against the rocks, while the boy is oblivious, enjoying his sand play. A few waves lap at his feet, but he doesn't care. The sand castle he is building takes shape quickly, and then he exclaims, 'Dad, look what I made!'" Finally, I made sure to add a strict rule instructing the engine not to change the boy's facial features. The final video clip is truly incredible to watch because it seamlessly blends two completely different eras of my life. The original photo of me as a child was taken all the way back in Kuwait in 1965, while the scenic Laguna Beach background was captured just this month in June 2026. This is the true magic of using artificial intelligence as a personal creative partner.